Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish Kitchen. This is Robin Cook in partnership with where the Red Fern Grows Farms. And today I'm excited because we have a sweet treat for you. So we're going to be making some sweet potato donuts. Now these are not your regular donuts. These are refined sugar-free donuts and they have some fresh sweet potatoes. They have some fresh grated carrots in them, pumpkin seeds, lots and lots of goodies. So here is what you need. First of all, you're going to need a silicone donut pan, okay? So you can buy this online or perhaps at a cookingware store. So you can get a silicone donut pan. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to start to add all the ingredients to our batter. So you're going to want to have one of the red fern sweet potatoes already baked. Then you can peel off the skin, you can mash it really well. You're going to need 1/2 of a cup of a cooked sweet potato. Now I'm sure that you could do pumpkin instead with the sweet potato. It's in season right now, so it's going to add extra sweetness to our amazing sweet potato donuts. So you're going to need one of these already baked. You're also going to need some of the cute little red fern carrots that we're going to grate and add into our donuts. You're going to need 1/4 cup of the grated carrots. Now, as far as our flour goes, you're going to need some protein powder, almond flour, and coconut flour to be in the batter. You're also going to need some cinnamon. You're going to need some monk fruit for our sweetener. You're going to want to use some coconut oil and melt it. You need 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and I will type out all of these ingredients into the comments here so that way you know exactly what you need. You're also going to need 4 eggs. You could do organic eggs, free range, the farm fresh eggs, any of those would be fantastic. And of course some vanilla extract and stevia as well. So you're going to mix all of that together. You're going to grease your donut pan with, I like to do avocado oil spray. So just lightly spritz your donut pan, put in the batter, and then put the silicone baking dish onto a cookie sheet. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, okay? Now, if you wanted to add some pumpkin seeds or some chopped pecans into the batter before you put it into the donut pan, you could do that as well, or you could just do it with the carrots and the pumpkin, or the carrots and the sweet potato without any nuts or seeds, and that would be delicious too. So after about 25 minutes, pull them out of the oven and you have these amazing sweet potato donuts. So thank you all so much for joining us today. Enjoy, God bless you, and we will see you next time.